There are loads of income methods, and specifically methods to earn online. Yet I think some are probably better to focus on than others. I have a playlist up here on my online earnings, how much I've earned, and how I've achieved it. To articulate some of the obvious benefits to online earning methods over typical jobs, it's worth talking about typical jobs to start off with. Typical jobs, like my 9 to 5 Monday to Friday engineering job, are relatively stable. You can have high confidence in your income month to month. I find my job interesting and I like the products that I work on, but one of the problems I find with these standard jobs is that you are living paycheck to paycheck, something you've probably heard many times before from other people talking about the same sort of thing. Companies can often get into serious financial trouble, and this can lead to some redundancies. Many people will have their day-to-day job as their only source of income. If they were made redundant, all of their income is lost. A more stable form of income might be to have multiple streams of income. This could be achieved by earning online. The other issue that I have with typical jobs is that they often rely on you working at a defined location. Not always the case, highlighted by the pandemic and working from home, but it still feels pretty restrictive. There are lots of opportunities to work remotely, and I describe it in that way as not all remote opportunities are online. They are mostly, but it could be that contracts, deals, or what have you were arranged face-to-face or over the phone. Perhaps arranging rental agreements for buy-to-let properties at the estate agent face-to-face, or working with a stockbroker over the phone. Of the remote working opportunities, the opportunities broadly fall into time-based investment or financial investment. All have elements of both of these, but it's usually one more than the other. I'd say that there are 4 major routes to earning online, and time investment is where I think things usually start off due to a lack in capital. This first route would be through earning by providing a service, trading a time for income. Examples of this could be freelance working, where you could be a ghostwriter or video editor or many other things on platforms like Fiverr. Alternatively, you might earn by completing online surveys on platforms like Prolific.
New studies available on Prolific.
I show my experience on using the platform in this video right here. Though your location is freed up somewhat, trading time for income online may not be fully addressing the problem of standard jobs. Do you have time to be a freelance worker and work on other streams of income? The second route would be through the selling of products, and this route is where a lot of action is going on. You could break this down into the selling of physical products from scratch, perhaps through dropshipping through Amazon FBA program, or with print-on-demand services through Merch by Amazon or Redbubble, for example. Possibly, you might look at selling digital products in whole on your own platform, or through royalties like online courses with Udemy or Skillshare, and stock photography through companies like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. I've had a fair amount of experience with these. Check out the playlist that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. You might also sell ebooks on Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, and again claim royalties. There's a common theme here with Amazon. My intention is to provide products of value, and I think digital products are a really good idea if executed well. Digital products have a one-time production cost, mostly in time investment, and then they can be infinitely replicated for free, not something you get with physical products. If you can find a free way to distribute these products, then they become very scalable, especially if you sustain or increase conversion rates. You could alternatively sell someone else's products. These could be physical or digital through affiliate marketing. There are tons of affiliate programs, Amazon again being one of the big players. If someone clicks on your links and makes a purchase, then you can earn a commission. You could say that the ad revenue on web pages or social media can then earn you an income which is effectively selling products, even if not actively doing so. The trouble with affiliate marketing and ad revenue is that you need eyes and clicks on your links, so you need an audience. And building an audience can take time, as you can see on my current subscriber count on YouTube. Affiliate marketing programs also require a few stats about views and subscribers or followers. The third route of renting, I think, mostly takes you into financial investment. You need the property, land, or equipment to then rent out. Rental opportunities which seem interesting include rental properties and perhaps parking spaces for city properties. And then the fourth route could be through the trading of stock, gaining income or at least worth through the increase in stock value or in the receiving of dividends. Passive income is a term which I think others have blurred in the past. To me, passive income is the breaking of trading time for money and the ability to earn independently of the amount of hours you put in. Create once with time or financial investment and then continually earn afterwards, with hopefully little maintenance. These items are what I consider things that can be passive, and selling digital products and stock trading is what I currently think can be done with little capital. Renting will take a fair amount of capital, and then affiliate marketing and ad revenue or take even more effort in building an audience. My current plans are to get to a point where I can rent out properties from capital built through my projects and my day-to-day job, all whilst working on building an audience. Have I missed any opportunities in my diagram? Let me know in the comments if you think so. I'm excited to see how this plan develops over the coming months and years. Thanks all, and I'll see you next time.